Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in this video we are going to learn about two very important taskbar items. One of them is ortho mode, another one is polar tracking. So to explain these two things, I'm going to select a line. So select line, start from any point and just take a look. There is nothing special in drawing this particular line. You are simply seeing length of the line and the angle. But if you turn this ortho mode on from here, so suppose that I have drawn this line like this. Now turn on this ortho mode. So you can simply press F8 as well, or you can click here. Now if you have turned on the ortho mode, just take a look. You will not be able to draw line at any angle other than 90, 180 or 270. Okay. So in most of the cases, whenever we ask people that what is the purpose of ortho mode, so most of the times their answer will be like your drawing is restricted to 90 degree only. So we are not restricted to 90 degree. We are restricted to multiples of 90 degree. Like I'm able to draw at 0 degree, at 90 degree, at 180 degree, at 270 degree, and again 0 degree. So basically these are the multiples of the 90 degrees. So this is the purpose of ortho mode. Another one, now turn the ortho mode off. So basically you have seen here ortho is off. Now another option is polar tracking. So if you turn on this polar tracking, you will see that there are multiple options here. So suppose that I am selecting 30-60 option. So what will happen at 0, 30, 60 and 90. So basically at the multiples of 30 degree angle, our line will snap. Okay, so that is the purpose of polar tracking. So we need to understand this thing as well. Like in polar tracking, our movement is not restricted at all, but the line snaps at the selected angle interval. Like if I select 15-30 like that, so just take a look, 0, then 15, then 30. So basically at the multiples of 15 our line is snapping. So that is the purpose of polar tracking. Now another option that if this polar tracking is turned off, basically our line will not snap at any angle. So if we are more comfortable in using mouse as our main working tool, so in that particular case ortho and polar tracking, they are quite useful for us. So I hope you have understood this polar tracking and ortho mode. So I'm repeating the same again. We have learned about polar tracking and ortho mode in this video, and the shortcut for ortho mode is F8, and for polar tracking the shortcut is F10, function key 10 and function key 8. So these are the shortcuts. So I hope you guys will utilize them, and that's all for today. Thank you very much and have a nice day.